Let us move on to the laboratory diagnosis of dermatophytosis. Here we are seeing sample collection. In dermatophyte identification, we are using skin scraping, nail scraping, and hair sample. In skin sample means margin of lesion with the scalpel we are using. A nail sample means deeper part is collected, superficial part is discarded. Then hair particle means plucked that hair by using fine forceps. So laboratory diagnosis of dermatophytes, we will collect skin sample, nail sample or hair sample. Then we will use very specific test. For diagnosis of dermatophytes, Wood's lamp test. Some dermatophytes using fluorescence due to the presence of ferritin pigment in the cell wall. This one is the very specific test, Wood's lamp test, specific test for dermatophytes. Some dermatophytes using fluorescence due to the presence of ferritin. So, pigment in the cell wall, ferritin pigment in the cell wall. They have fluorescence effect. So, this one is the Wood's lamp. This one is head. This infectious organism glowing under wood lamp. Here glowing will occur. So very specific test, Wood's lamp test. How we will do? Take skin infection, observe under Wood's lamp. Usually this Trichophyton, Sonini and Microsporium are positive. In Wood's lamp test, Trichophyton, Sonini and Microsporium are positive. Then specimen sample, skin and hair sample means we are dissolving 10% of KOH mount. In nail sample means 20 to 40% because more concentration to dissolve tissue. Nail no, so hard stone. So specimen collection in the skin and hair sample dissolving 10% KOH mount. Nail sample means 20 to 40%. Then what will we see? We will see septate hyphae like this hyphae with arthroconeria. What we will see? Septate hyphae like this hyphae with arthroconeria. Different morphological form of dermatophytes. This one is ectotherix outside. This one is endotherix inside. Then this one is the microconeria of various dermatophyte species. Club shape, pencil shape like that. This one is the Trichophyton. This one is Microsporium. This one is Hemiturbiton. This one is the microconeria of Trichophyton. Then it have different type of hyphae, spiral hyphae, rocket like that. So different morphological form of dermatophytes. Wood lamps test, then KOH mount. KOH mount, skin and hair sample dissolving 10% KOH, nail 20 to 40%. Why? Because concentration of high concentration, why we are using to dissolve that tissue. Then culturing medium. Move on to culture medium. Here we are using saffrose dextrose agar medium. Incubation period 4 weeks at 26 to 28 degrees Celsius, normal room temperature. Then we are using one more medium, dermatophyte test medium. That medium containing saffrose dextrose agar, cyclohexamide and phenyl red. Then malt agar. So what are the medium we are using? Saffrose dextrose agar, dermatophytes test medium and malt agar. All the medium incubation period 4 weeks at 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. We will put some potato dextrose agar. This one will stimulate that sporulation. So we are using potato dextrose agar. It will stimulate sporulation. Then we will check colony